Unlock the three handles on the top of the back media guide. Slide the media guide towards the back of the feeder. Unlock the two thumb screws on the top of the front media guide. Pull the media guide towards the front of the feeder. Place a business envelope on the loading bay and center along the ruler. Slide the back media guide towards the edge of the envelope. Then lock the handles so that the media guide does not move. Push the front media guide to the edge of the envelope. Then lock the thumb screws so that media guide does not move. Notice the envelope moves freely along both media guides from the loading bay to the printer. Here is another view of loading business envelopes. Place the envelopes on a ruler and move the side guides to each edge of the envelope. Confirm that both side guides are locked in place. Put the angled media backstop on the loading bay area. Place a stack of envelopes on the green belts and then push the backstop against the envelopes. Continue to load additional envelopes by placing them at the beginning of the stack. Once your stack is complete, turn on the feeder. Press and hold down on the load button. The envelopes will move along the loading bay on the green belts towards the feeding belts. The envelopes will tile when they make contact with the white belts as they advance towards the printer. To print your file, open IQ, select your job, and open the job ticket. Make changes to the printer settings by selecting the number of copies, the paper source, the media weight, and the orientation. Then open the print window and select the printer. The printer will receive the data and begin printing. The envelopes will continue to advance and tile as they move along the white belts and feed into the printer. Additional envelopes can be loaded to the back of the media stack by lifting the existing envelopes forward and placing them on the backstop. The angled media backstop has two sides for media placement. The first angle is steep, and this is for business, booklet, and announcement envelopes. The second angle is gradual, and this is for catalog, flat sheets, and miscellaneous medias.